Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options available on this VIVO. First of all, you need to access devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access sound and vibration. Now tap on Vibrate for incoming calls. Select Vibration Options and tap on the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with the last one, so I have to click on it and go back. You can also tap on vibration intensity and choose one of those options, high, medium or low. In my case, low. Then tap on the back button twice. Click on Vibrate for notifications and adjust intensity of haptic feedback for notifications by selecting one of those options, or disable them completely by tapping on Off. Go back, scroll down and click on the switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to enable or disable them. You can also tap on touch vibration and select intensity of haptic feedback for touches. I will go with medium. Go back. And last but not least, click on the switcher next to vibrates when the other party answers or hangs up to switch on or off this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!